Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to list multiple sizes on eBay efficiently. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your eBay account using your credentials. If you're new to eBay, you can create an account by choosing either a personal or business account type. Simply provide your full legal name, email, and password, or streamline the process by signing up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start listing. To create a listing with multiple sizes, especially for items like shoes or clothing where variations are common, you can group these under a single fixed price listing. This approach is ideal for closely related items that differ only by size or another attribute. Navigate to the upper right corner of your screen. Depending on whether you're using My eBay or Seller's Hub, the interface might vary slightly. Click on Summary. Then on the left panel, select Selling. If you're using Seller's Hub, the navigation might differ, but you'll find a Sell an Item option that allows you to add variations to your listings. This feature lets you utilize item specifics to group similar items under a single listing, enhancing your eBay SEO by targeting long-tail keywords like list multiple size variations on eBay. For instance, if you're selling shoes, create a single listing with variations for different sizes. You can refer to our previous guides on listing variations for more insights. Click on Resume Draft to proceed. In the upper right corner, click on the three-dot icon and select Settings. Ensure the variation option is enabled. You'll see a prompt allowing you to list different variations of the item, including different sizes and colors. From the Variation section, click on Edit, where you can add multiple sizes to your eBay listing. Click Create Your Own for sizes, then Continue. You can add more options and attributes, and once satisfied, click Save. Afterward, select Add and then Continue. Here, you can customize options like size, quantity, and price, and even change photos if needed. That's how you list multiple sizes on eBay efficiently. If you need further assistance, click on Help and Contact for guidance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.